guys, welcome back to Stiff Breast channel. So guys, me the back of the camera. These two handsome Kayla and Rajay, they are gonna do a donut challenge for me because me not too like the inside of the donut. So introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Kayla from soon to be Kayla's World.
Okay, and your boy
Reggie.
Okay, so guys, remember to
Like, share, subscribe, and notification bell
To be notified when we drop the bang at them.
straight. So Rajay, we're gonna give you and Kayla 2 minutes to eat the 3 donut. You guys, you one of 3, one of 3. So set the time, Rajay. So I'm gonna set you off. On your mark, get set, go. Watch out. Come, Reggie. You know it. Kayla. Me know you like that. Rajay. Una. So now it's so slow. Come on, guys. 128, 25. Not even one, Kayla. No, Raj. Stop watch Kayla.
Oh, me not done today.
Kayla, start. Let me see him. Let me see what I. Raj, your phone. Come, Raj. Come. Two that. Much that. Much being left. No, Kayla. Stop going like you can't eat. Kayla! I told her then come. Alright. Oh, let's see who the winner would be. Oh! Rajay. Kayla! Kayla! What's up? No! Come back here, so. Me I go now. 1 second. If you don't eat out of the mouth, let me see who the winner is. Right. Rajay, you can't beat Kayla. And the winner is Kayla. Nothing. Kayla, you win. I'm seeing your mouth. No, sir, Kayla. Okay, guys, this is what a little channel donut. See there? Them shell it. Rajay still have piece in there and. Okay, Kayla, end of the video.
Diamond.
You want water? Give them some water. End of the video. Kayla and Rajay in the video.
So guys, we've come to the end of the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And
tell a friend about the Stiff Breast channel. I'm out.